Good morning, day 42, Tuesday. At least you're seeing this on day 42, Tuesday morning. It's actually the evening of day 41. It's Monday evening. I'm doing my workout. I've already done one workout. I don't change my clothes when I come home and do my workout. I'm already sweaty from the day, from being out in the sun all day and sweating and riding my bike. And I got to tell you, my hand is killing me. I think riding my bike is keeping my hand from healing properly. I only do this for like 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. I don't think that's really bothering it, but throttling and accelerating and decelerating and grabbing that brake with my front brake with my finger and stuff, I think that's what's really keeping my hand from healing. I don't own a car. All I have is my motorbike. That's what I based my business on, was being able to ride my motorcycle. And even just holding the throttle like this without keeping my finger on the brake, I still have to use that finger for the brake. So it's not healing. It's not helping. This is the 9th week with this going on. This is the 9th week of having so much pain in my hand. Anyway, I've already done one set. Getting ready to do my second set. Somebody said that these are the best AI videos they've ever seen. They commented, these are great videos. The AI is beautiful except for one flaw. And that is that your hair and your beard are exactly the same in every single video. That's true. They make these things called trimmers. I trim my hair every week, and I trim my beard every week. So I don't let things get out of control. And I take a shower in the morning before I do my workout, because I really don't break a sweat doing my workout in the morning. I get my cardio going and everything, but it's cool enough in the house that I don't really break a sweat. So yes, I want to look good on camera, so I take a shower and comb my hair before I do my workout. These are not AI videos. This is real life. This is me. I don't think AI would have a bruise on their arm and not know how they did it, you know. Something I've noticed about AI videos, because I see a bunch of them, they always have the same facial expressions. They always have this fake smile that they do. You can immediately tell when you're seeing an AI video, because they'll say something like, I was wondering if I could maybe get you, and they all talk the same. They all have the same fluctuations in their voice and stuff like that. There is no AI that can do, this is not AI. I've seen enough AI videos. If you think this is AI, you're brainwashed. Anyway, back itches and I can't really reach it anymore. I've done my first evening set, and I'm getting ready to do my second evening set. Like I said, it's Monday evening, but you're seeing this on day 42. I've got to get up real early in the morning and go somewhere, so I'm not going to be able to do my morning workout tomorrow. I'll just have to do my evening workout when I come home. But I wanted you to still be able to see a video in the morning, because I want to keep this going every day. So just understand, this is day 41 in the evening. You're seeing this on day 42. I won't be able to do my morning workout. So let's get this second. I'm tired and my hand hurts. Let's get this second session done. And then I'll do my third one off camera. But I'm itching really bad because we have all this cotton flying around in the air from the trees and such. And yeah, it gets in my shirt when I'm riding my motorcycle. It gets down my shirt and stuff like that. And it just makes me, and people mowing their yards and all this pollen and everything else, and makes me itchy. So my right hand was hurting like hell on the first set. We'll see what I can do on this. And I'm wearing my boots, so I'm taller, which means that my feet aren't level like they normally are. They're up a little bit. So when I do my squats, it actually puts more pressure on my calf muscles. I might start wearing my boots to do my morning workout too, because I actually like the fact that it puts more tension on my calf muscles. I might start wearing them in the morning as well, but that's why I look a little different this evening. I'm a little taller and whatnot. All right, let's get this second workout done. That right hand is killing me today. It's really hard for me to do my evening workouts. One more. 50. And with that right hand hurting as bad as it is, makes it really difficult for me to do my curls and such. I normally have to set the weights down. Let's see. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. The evening workout is so much tougher than the morning workout. Okay, I gotta sit him down for a minute. That hand is killing me. So, the evening workout, I do my morning workout. I try to do it around 7 o'clock. Sometimes I get a late start. My evening workout is always between 4 and 6 because I eat before 6 o'clock because I only eat one meal a day. So I try to eat before 6 so that food has time to process and get out of my stomach and into my intestines before I go to bed. Because if it's still in your stomach processing, you're going to toss and turn until it's done. I learned that about myself. I need to eat at least 4 hours before I go to bed. So I try to eat before 6 o'clock because I go to bed at 10. So remember, this is my second set, and I don't mind resting in between sets or in between exercises, because like I said, my morning workout, I have rested for 12 to 14 hours overnight. My evening workout could be anywhere from 6 to 8 hours after I did my morning workout. So it's a little more difficult for me. Oh my God. I still have one more set to go after this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts a lot more tension on my calf muscles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, even now, doing my full sets again, I'm not breaking a sweat. But I did sweat all day out in that hot sun. All right, that's second set for the evening. I just wanted you to see that I am doing my evening workouts. I have one more set to go. Again, you're seeing this on day 42, but this is the evening of day 41. Somebody asked if I could make a video of my evening workout. It's the same exact workout that I do in the morning. It's just more difficult. So, I will say, see you tomorrow. But in all actuality, for me, I have to say, I will see you Wednesday. Do me a favor, click the like, hit the subscribe, share the video, throw me some love. If you're new here, click the playlist over here. Watch my journey from the very beginning so you can understand how I got to the point that I'm at. I will see you on Wednesday.